So you gather the bangs like this. Okay, put this down. And you're gonna clip the CreaClip backwards.
Backwards, okay.
Like that. And slide it just a little to the middle. And then we're gonna twist. Yeah. Make sure this is level. And then I'm going to trim her bangs a little bit. Okay. And slide it just a little bit more because I don't want to make it too short. Okay. About there. I say let's do that. Okay. And the angle like this. And I recommend just half an inch each time. That way it just, you're not cutting too much. You can always go back and trim more. Like that. And when you twist it, it makes the sides longer. Where, the comb? Okay, good. So it makes it like shorter in the middle. And then it goes long. That's what curtain bangs does. Okay? Yeah, there you go. And it makes it like textured too. See how textured it is?
Textured,
It's like different angles, and then it goes like long, short to long. And then this side, same thing. It goes short to long. That's what happens when you twist it.
Okay.
Yeah, so this the textured curtain bangs.
Beautiful.